75 Hard, the challenge that's taken social media by storm. From massive transformations to heated debates,
to make it or not, but it's called 75 Hard. And it's really tough, dude. It's like the highest level of discipline, I think, in terms of like New Year's programs.
everyone seems to have an opinion. But is this program right for you? In this video, we're breaking down the pros and cons of 75 Hard so you can decide if it's worth the hype. But here's the twist. What if I told you there's an alternative? One that could still push you toward transformation, but without the intense pressure. Keep watching, because if 75 Hard doesn't feel like the right fit, we have the perfect challenge that might match your pace. Now, let's break down the rules. 75 Hard is a mental toughness challenge created by Andy Frisella, a businessman and podcast host.
Everybody laughed at me. All my friends, virtually all my family, virtually everybody I know, they laughed in my face, okay? They said things like, "That's never gonna work. Who do you think you are? What do you think is gonna happen here?"
The goal is simple but tough. Complete a set of daily tasks for 75 consecutive days. Miss one? You start over from day one. It's a true test of discipline and determination. The rules are straightforward but unforgiving. Complete 2 45-minute workouts daily. One must be outdoors. Follow a diet with no cheat meals or alcohol. Drink a gallon of water each day. Read 10 pages of a nonfiction book. Take a daily progress photo. These 5 rules make up 75 Hard. They are designed to build not just physical strength but also mental fortitude, testing your discipline and commitment on a daily basis. But here's the thing. This program isn't for everyone. Imagine committing to 2 daily workouts, one of which must be outdoors, every single day for 75 days. It sounds intense, and it is, but the benefits are undeniable. So why are people so obsessed with 75 Hard? Let's dive into the pros. The first workout boosts your cardiovascular health, builds muscle, and increases your stamina. With daily consistency, these workouts can dramatically improve your physical fitness. American Heart Association studies show regular exercise lowers the risk of heart disease and increases energy levels. The outdoor workout, however, is where the real magic happens. Exposing yourself to natural sunlight boosts vitamin D production, which not only supports bone health but also lifts your mood. Outdoor exercise has also been linked to reduced anxiety and better mental clarity, making it a perfect reset for your mind after a long day. In short, the 2 workouts a day, especially the outdoor one, make 75 Hard a powerful tool for reshaping both body and mind. It's a challenge, but the payoff is a stronger, more disciplined you. Now, jumping into the second rule of the 75 Hard challenge, following a strict diet with no cheat meals or alcohol. This rule plays a crucial role in achieving your physical goals, such as weight loss and muscle definition. By cutting out empty calories and promoting better metabolism, it also enhances mental clarity and focus by removing the brain fog caused by alcohol and processed foods, allowing you to stay sharp and productive. Sticking to this disciplined diet helps build mental toughness, resilience, and self-control, which extend beyond just food choices. Overall, this habit sets the foundation for long-term physical health, mental clarity, and sustainable habits that will improve your quality of life. Continuing with the third rule of the 75 Hard challenge, drink a gallon of water each day. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health. Drinking a gallon of water daily boosts metabolism, aids digestion, and improves skin health. It also enhances mental clarity, as dehydration can cause fatigue and difficulty focusing. Proper hydration supports physical performance, helps with recovery, and reduces injury risk. Additionally, drinking water can curb cravings, making it easier to stick to a clean diet. Overall, this habit promotes better energy, mood, and well-being, making it a key element of the 75 Hard challenge. Moving on to the fourth point of the 75 Hard challenge. Read 10 pages of a nonfiction book each day. This habit encourages personal growth and continuous learning. By reading nonfiction, you expose yourself to valuable knowledge, strategies, and insights that can help you improve various aspects of your life. Whether it's about business, personal development, health, or mindset, each page read adds to your understanding and broadens your perspective. Reading daily also sharpens your focus, discipline, and critical thinking skills, as you commit time to learning without distractions. Over time, these 10 pages can lead to significant growth, building momentum in your personal and professional life. Plus, it's a great way to unwind and stimulate your mind before or after a busy day. This habit cultivates lifelong learning, making it a powerful tool for long-term success. Finally, the last point of the 75 Hard Challenge: take a daily progress photo. This simple habit helps track your physical transformation throughout the challenge. A daily photo provides a visual record of your progress, allowing you to see the subtle changes that might not be noticeable day to day. It serves as a powerful reminder of your commitment and the effort you're putting in. Beyond just physical changes, taking a daily photo builds accountability and consistency, encouraging you to stay focused and follow through every day. It also helps boost motivation by showing how far you've come, especially on days when progress feels slow. By the end of the 75 days, these photos will highlight the incredible transformation you've achieved, both physically and mentally. When it comes to the cons of the 75 Hard Challenge, there are several aspects that may present difficulties for participants. Completing 2 45-minute workouts daily, especially with one being outdoors, can be tough to maintain, particularly in bad weather or with a busy schedule. The pressure to perform 2 workouts can lead to overtraining or burnout if not managed properly, and it may leave little time for other commitments or rest. Additionally, sticking to a strict diet with no cheat meals or alcohol can make social events or dining out more challenging, potentially leading to feelings of deprivation. This restriction can also cause emotional struggles, such as cravings, and might lead to burnout if not balanced well with flexibility in the long term. Drinking a gallon of water every day, while crucial for hydration, can cause frequent bathroom breaks, which may be inconvenient for those with a packed schedule. Carrying or measuring such a large amount of water can also feel cumbersome. Moreover, the mental aspect of reading 10 pages daily might seem time-consuming and tedious, especially if the material doesn't interest you. Taking a daily progress photo could also lead to frustration if immediate results aren't visible, possibly triggering negative body image thoughts. Some individuals may also feel uncomfortable with the idea of taking a daily photo, particularly if it feels invasive or unnecessary. Despite these challenges, the rules of 75 Hard push individuals to cultivate discipline, resilience, and self-improvement, making it a transformative experience when approached with the right mindset. However, if the intensity of 75 Hard feels a bit too overwhelming, there is an alternative: 75 Soft. 75 Soft is a more flexible version of the original challenge, designed to encourage personal growth without the rigid rules of 75 Hard. In this challenge, you still commit to exercising, eating healthily, drinking enough water, and reading daily, but with more flexibility. There are no restrictions on cheat meals, and you aren't required to take daily progress photos. This version allows for a more sustainable approach to building healthy habits, where the focus is on consistency rather than perfection. It encourages individuals to prioritize self-discipline, while offering room for occasional indulgences or adjustments, making it a great choice for those who want to improve their lifestyle without feeling restricted. The 75 Soft Challenge provides a more manageable way to develop better habits while still focusing on consistency, making it ideal for those looking for gradual growth. Whether you choose to take on the intense challenge of 75 Hard or the more flexible approach with 75 Soft, both offer a path to personal growth and healthier habits. The key is consistency, discipline, and finding what works best for you. If you're looking for more tips, motivation, or guidance on living a balanced life and achieving your goals, make sure to subscribe to Vital Spark.